Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's look is obviously pumpkin inspired, as you can see from my eyes and also from the title. Now this was not the easiest thing to do and I'm not very good at cut creases, so I apologise in advance if it does not look perfect. I am well aware and I am still learning how to do cut creases, but I thought it would be really fun and quite cute to try and do an actual pumpkin on my eye. Quite ambitious, I know. But I thought it was something a little bit different, and I will also be doing an easy pumpkin eye look. This is obviously more complicated and I thought it would be fun to do an easy version as well. That will be coming very soon on my channel. But if you would like to see how I did this pumpkin eye look and the products used, then carry on watching. So this is my finished pumpkin eye look. As you can see from the video, I only used one palette, so this is very easy to do if you already have that palette, or at least one that has similar shades in, as I know that palette, the Subculture one, is quite expensive still. I also really like the pigment. Like, how amazing is that? It's the first time I've used it and I am so impressed. But like I said, I am not the best at cut creases, so I am well aware that this does not look perfect whatsoever. But it was fun to do, and that is the most important thing with makeup, and especially when it's Halloween, is that you have fun. So you have to let me know what you think of this look, and also if you try to recreate it yourself, please send me a link somewhere, either in the comments, tag me on Instagram. I don't mind. I would just love to see if you do it yourself. So I hope you like this video, and also make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on my very easy pumpkin eye look, which will be coming very soon. So I hope you like this, and I'll see you soon in another. Bye!